I am always going to stand on this. If you really care about someone, you do not walk away when things get hard. You talk. You sit in discomfort. You try to understand instead of pointing fingers. Because when someone truly means something to you, you fight for connection, not against the person. People love to say, if it's meant to be, it'll be. No. If it's meant to be, you both show up and you make it work. Love isn't about never arguing. It's about learning how to listen when you're mad, how to stay calm when you want to shut down, how to rebuild when things get messy. Walking away is just so easy. Anyone can give up when things get tough, but staying, choosing to work through the hard parts together, that's where the real love lives. Because when you care for someone, and I mean really care, you don't just leave. You show up. Even when it's hard, especially when it's hard.